Hello guys, welcome to ReviewsManiac once again. We have the Huawei Honor 4X with us, and I'm just gonna first remove the back cover and show it to you guys where exactly the slim slot is. It's on the bottom right. You have a slot where you can slide in your thumb or nail and just flick it up open. So once you're done doing with that, it's just about setting through the grooves. So here below, this is the 3000 mAh battery. Here you have the micro SD slot, and here are the two slim slots for the 4G. The back cover is slightly flexible. As you can see, it can bend. It's of a decent quality, not of a high grade quality though, but you cannot expect anything much from a phone worth 10,000. So I'll just put back the back cover, and now we'll go to the benchmarking. Okay, so first let me clear all the background data. Okay, now let's start with the benchmarking. For benchmarking, let's start up with Quadrant Standard benchmarking first, and we'll run a custom benchmarking test. As you can see, the screen is a fingerprint magnet. The device comes with a scratch guard inbuilt, so you do not need to purchase a new scratch guard and fix it onto this device. So here we are with the Antutu benchmark score. I don't know if you'll be able to see this, but the score comes to 11,953, which is amazing. Now we'll further move on now with the Antutu benchmark test. So we'll just start off the test. I'll give you a brief history of what this device has in stock. This has an Snapdragon 410 64-bit processor, 2 GB of DDR3 RAM, 8 GB of internal storage, 3000 mAh battery, Android 4.4 KitKat version running, and well, that's pretty much it. So I'll just put this aside and give you a background check of the power bank which I've received with this. Here I've received a cover for this power bank where I can slot it in. So this is a 3000 mAh power bank. Its input is 1 amp as well as output is 1 ampere. The charger out here is of a Huawei make. Input is 0.2 amps and the output is a 1 amp charger. As you can see, just two ports. I actually used these earphones which were provided. The earphones are not that great. They have some bit of noise. The bass quality is not that high, but the build quality is great. I have had the SoundMagic ES18s and I find that pretty much better than this, and I'd purchased that for around 700 bucks. This is what I got with the box. Here we'll just get back to the Antutu benchmarking. Your display is quite clear and crisp. The interface is also great. There is no lag as of yet, as there is no stress on the RAM. As you can see, the details, the Antutu score mark is 20,360. 20,360. Now let's move on finally to the NenaMark test. So here we are with the NenaMark benchmarking. As you can see, there is no such lag as much as expected, and it is 52.4 FPS, which is pretty decent. Now I'd just play a few games to show you. Actually, just one Beach Buggy Blitz. You can hear the sound quality of this device. The speaker is right here below just next to the micro USB port. As you can see, the game has no lag and is running pretty smooth. Well, that's how the games work. There's no lag as such, it's pretty smooth. The user interface is also great. I'll just show you the shortcut settings. I don't know if you can view it or no, but you have quite a lot of options out here. The Wi-Fi, the flashlight, Bluetooth, do not disturb settings, Wi-Fi hotspot, one hand use. In the one hand UI, basically what happens is, if you're typing any message, let's go to the message and add a new message. So in case if you're just typing, you can see the screen has been moved to the right hand side, making it easy for you to swipe or just type in any whatever you want. You can, if you're a lefty, you can switch it to the left side just by clicking on the arrow which is besides it. Now let's go down in shortcuts, settings, let's go to the about phone. As you can see, this is the EMUI 3.0. It has 1.2 GHz quad-core processor, 2 GB of RAM, and the Android version is 4.4.4. So as you can see, this is the KitKat version running. And what else do we have here? You have the motion control, and well, storage. Yeah, moving on to the storage, you can see the available is to the end user is basically 4.05 GB. And the display, you can select the color temperature you like. As you can see, the color goes to a bit down. You can adjust the brightness, the color. You get a pinkish shade when you go to the more warm side, and you get a brighter color when you move on to the cold. So I'll just move on to the default, and that's it most probably. The SIM management, you can select which SIM you want. For this, there are two shortcut notifications. One is the notification bar, where you can just click out here and delete all the details, and here you have the shortcut. You can set the auto, and you can also change the layout of these shortcuts by clicking on the edit button out here. You can lock the screen, and you have also the screenshot option out here. Let's have a look at the battery right now. The battery, when I got this device, it was at 65%. After 2.5 hours, it's come down to 42. As you can see, I've pretty much used quite a lot of display, and it's on auto display, so the screen has been on most of the time. And the music app, as you can see, the interface is good. You can play the songs out here, select the songs, play. You have a special settings for the headphones out here. You can pause that, move back up, and there's one more thing which I'd like to share. Is basically when you power down the device, you just swipe it up, you get a settings out here. You can select the settings, you can play or pause a song, you can save, you can share. You've got the calculator, the torch, and the voice recorder, and the camera. This is pretty handy, and is extremely useful in cases of emergency. Well, that's it from ReviewsManiac. This is Shanil Karya signing out. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and keep subscribing to our videos. Thank you.